Patricia got her nails done. Hey, 2021 is our year. Bruh, I need to step up my game. What the fuck, babe? These nails are looking so rich.
It's not of he that runneth, but it's of God that showeth mercy. So instead of you to be walking like Jackie, try and be flexing small. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome. My name is Patricia. Please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Before I continue this video, there's no electricity. I don't have light, so I'm using natural light, but you guys have to manage today, please, because I have to make this video by fire by force. This is so funny. This like made me laugh. I just need to play it. Honestly, I didn't know that a lot of people have been waiting for me to get my nails done. Like, they've been waiting for me to get my shit together. You all just, I got a lot of compliments. Honestly, I did get a lot of compliments just for my nails, just for these nails. But this particular one is just so funny. You all listen.
Patricia got her nails done. Hey, 2021 is our year. So somebody should actually take a time off work to get her nails done. Bruh, I need to step up my game. What the fuck, babe? These nails are looking so rich. I want to be like you when I grow up, Patricia. Yeah, Patricia got her nails done. Yay, Jesus, thank you. Hallelujah, somebody.
Anyways, she's actually right. Yes, because like I've been working so much. I have been working like Jackie. Since January, I've been so busy. I've not had time for myself. I've just been working back and forth. And you know what? I took a little step back and I'm like, Trish, it's not of he that runneth, but it's of God that showeth mercy. So instead of you to be working like Jackie, try and be flexing small. Like, you still spend this money, you know. So during Val, I was busy. Like, I was busy and I was supposed to travel, but I did not. So for those of us that were busy during Val, that could not fornicate like you people, I know you people watching me, you are fornicating during Val. I know Twitter was on fire. Like, this year Val was just in my face. I literally almost cried. Twitter was on fire this year. Val, they oppressed us. They oppressed me personally. In fact, everybody should just get out. Every post I saw, I'm just like, you all should just get the hell out. What is all this? Is it a crime that I'm single? Did I offend anybody? So like I was saying, during Val, I was busy. I couldn't travel. I wanted to travel, honestly, I did, but I couldn't. So this is a post-Valentine shenanigans, you know, like, let me not talk too much. I'll try as much as I can to vlog it. Honestly, it's really difficult for me to pull out my camera most times. Like, I'll be having the time of my life and I'm like, Trish, you need to get this for your subscribers. Like, to be honest, being a content creator, if you're not like self-conscious, sometimes you might miss the moment just because you're trying to get clips for YouTube. I mean, my YouTube family, you guys are so important. Like, you guys deserve to know what's happening in my life. If my life is getting interesting, you guys deserve to know. If my life is boring, you guys deserve to also know. But sometimes it's a bit tricky because in as much as I want to let you guys in on what's going on in my life. I also need to enjoy my moments, you know, and not just all the time. But with that being said, I'll try my best to vlog as much as I can, you know. I'll try my best to vlog as much as I can, you know, like I'll show you guys the ones that you guys are supposed to see now, you get. But actually, it's best if you follow me on Instagram, because I'm always posting there, like, you know, those little stories. 2 and 2, you understand? Yeah. Anyways, I'm just going to try my best now to pack my things, and yeah, not packing so many things. It's just a few days, like.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Shawty out nice, off me, make a man want holla. Anytime I see ya.